patent represents mechanical treatment and system of water waste solidification. Loha's tech company goes one step forward and develops advanced energy production methods using MTLE, that is a development technology of food waste treatment. Inputting food waste goes to the grinder from the hopper. In the process of grinding, the grinder makes to grind greater volume solids than a certain size and then move it to the separation process. Separating the first, second, and third to fix the separation process. The first step undergoes the separating high concentration that wastewater of high-density wastewater of grinded waste foods with 270,000 ppm results in wastewater and solid from the centrifuge. The high concentration of wastewater after first the separation process produce solid sludges of 20% of inputting volume and wastewater of reduced 100,000 ppm. The separated solid moves to the next processing site, and the waste liquid is subjected to a secondary separation process again. Smaller solids and waste liquid, and it classifies the oil, fat same as first separation process. After going through the oil separation process, those produced with wastewater about 60,000 ppm and solids of 5% and oil fat of 2% approximately. The solids are moved to the next processing location as the first time, and the oil and fat are sent through a purification process tank of about 80 degrees. The products are sold to the factory in the production of biodiesel companies. 60,000 ppm of the waste liquid from the second into the third leads are again separated. It undergoes a last separation process to separate the fine solids and waste liquid. A waste liquid passing through the tertiary separation process produces approximately 40,000 ppm. So the produced wastewater undergo the filter facility of wood chips absorption. First step is to have the object of absorption and permeation. Second step is to have the odor deodorizing. The last step serves to filter out fine particles. The wood chip absorption and filtering the wastewater mean industrial level water about 16,000 ppm, so it reduces the load on the electrolysis. The injected wastewater into electrolyzer are separated into hydrogen and oxygen by the electrolysis ions. Produced by microbubbles of hydrogen and oxygen gas mixture go to the carbonization combustion to state air bubbles for getting rid of odor. This way, wastewater will be completely destroyed. The thermal energy generated in the carbonization combustion of odor and mixed gases are recovered from boiler to operate the generator, and heating water of the boiler condensate will use biodiesel refining process. The solid from 1, 2, and 3 through the separation process move to the next processing location, and after treating third step molding of a mixture of solids and wood chips, we produce bio-SRF pellets, which are used of winter heating and useful for bulk energy industry.